Welcome class, my name is Jen Scolari and I'm going to be your instructor for PACE 111. I am really excited to be here. Although we're not in a face-to-face class, I think we can have a fun and interactive experience. So here's a little bit about me. I'm a librarian and have been for nearly half my life. For the past 10 years, I have taught Introduction to Research for UMGC. Besides teaching at UMGC, I also teach at a community college and work at a health sciences library. I am really excited to be your instructor, and my goal is to help you develop the skills and resources you can utilize to be a successful student. I live in the Sacramento area with my husband, daughters, couple cats, couple dogs, and most recently a fish. So here is a final tidbit about me. A few years ago, I hiked to the top of Half Dome in Yosemite National Park. It is a 16-mile round trip. It was so hard. It was incredibly challenging, but I'm so glad I overcame my fears and made it to the top. I think going to school can be a bit like hiking Half Dome. It's going to be a challenging but ultimately rewarding experience at the same time. I hope this class will help you in your journey here at UMGC. If you have any questions about PACE 111, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm available by phone, email, instant message, and even Zoom. I look forward to learning more about you over the coming weeks. Bye.